Okay, we've been sanding. We got this sucker up on the side. Here's the back half. Kind of boxed off. The idea was kind of a front and back flotation chamber. Here's the middle. And up here is a reinforced front end for ramming logs. There's Dusty back there. Yeah. Nothing but redneck technology right here. I think we're going with the name Paddle Duck. I'm going to have to take these videos and learn how to video edit on the computer there. A lot of recycled wood here. But the idea is still to make a paddle wheeler. Stern wheeler would be easier, but I kind of want a side paddle wheeler. We could drop the whole engine and stuff right in the middle, make it removable. What a big worthless project. Anyway.